This is my wife's car, and she complained to me that why I fix other people's car but not my own wife's car. And I was like, your car don't have any problem, why you complain? And she will talk to me about a noise, that clunking noise when she driving to my driveway, or she going to a bumpy road, and that noise clunking somewhere in the back or somewhere in the front, whatever. See that rocking noise? Okay, so I tell the sunroof up like that, no more noise. Watch. When I tilt up, doesn't matter how much I yank it, no more noise. Okay, if I slide out, okay, no more noise. See, it doesn't matter how much I rock, no more noise. If I slide my glass like this, I slide back scissor like this. This thing making noise. See it? So that means if the roof is tilt up or slide out, then it's not sealed, then it doesn't matter how much I rock. It's no scissor, so it won't make that noise. Okay, so something that under here, a screw probably touching something, that when you go to a bump, which is the car will tilt a little bit, right? So uneven, so making that thing popping like clunk clunk clunk, or yanking steering and your car was like wobbling like this, making that noise. So if you open your sunroof, the noise is disappear. So this means that something in there that is loose or touching something, that make that noise right there. It doesn't sound like this thing here. It more like down there more than up here. It's not sound like this either, okay? But it sounds like something in here that touching each other when the car is rolling. So not sure exactly where that coming from. It's only when this thing close. When it's open, when it's tilt up, it doesn't do that. Okay, it sounds like when you tilt this up, it will have some tension on it, so it doesn't make that noise. So if you have the same issue as I have on your es300 or Camry, Avalon, whatever Toyota made, they sharing the same information, and try to open the sunroof, if that noise go away, you and me share the same information, okay? Only when this thing is closed. See it? So when you're hearing that noise, it sounds like your suspension is falling apart, okay? So this thing here is cheap made from Lexus. Can't believe it. It's a this car weird. If you have a Corolla or something cheap, you know, Focus or whatever, making noise like this, acceptable. This is a Lexus, man. Funny. Yeah. That crazy noise. Hey, Lexus, you bother my wife. Just kidding. Okay, let me spray some to the liner here. to see that will help, because sometimes it dry out. They might need some lubricate right here. Okay, because I'm looking for any mark right here. I don't see any mark, you know, and I cleaned this, I don't see nothing. I might thinking about maybe it was touching here to make noise, but I don't see nothing here either. Okay, I'm wondering, there's a screw inside here. Maybe the screw is loose. Let me take this down. Okay, slide this out and try to see this screw, and this screw will be losing anything like that. So this is a T25, okay? T25, let me see if that loose a little bit. If that loose, that can cause. See, it's pretty tight. Let me try this one too. See, is it loose or not? Yeah, this one's tight too. Nothing loose right here. And there's another two on this side also. Let me check to see that loose again. It's not loose. It's pretty tight. Yeah, it's pretty tight. So, not sure what's causing this thing here making noise. Okay. Even though I sprayed the W40 to it, still making noise. Okay. Let's see, I chopped out. Okay. Not much noise when you top up. So, not exactly sure what that noise coming from. Because this piece of rubber here is nothing wrong with it. Okay, I will try to take this down and take the screw, loosen the screw, and try to readjust this thing here to see if that will help. Otherwise, I don't know where it's coming from. So only way to do it, just pop this thing down. Okay, and readjusting. Let me see if that will help. Let me drop all the way. You see this? Let me tighten it up because it was up so high. So let me tighten it up to see if that will making that noise stop. Okay, let me tighten this side. So now I dropped the glass all the way to the rear, so I will tighten it up to see that. Stop that. Okay, let's see. Okay, so no more noise. Hey, just this glass. See that? I seesaw it, doesn't make no noise. Let me open it. Let's see if that works. Okay, so what happened is this thing is all the way up. You know, the right here, push all the way up. So when I lose this off and it drop all the way to right here, drop all the way towards maximum down here, and then the noise of this glass doesn't moving no more, so it stopped. Okay, so only that. How the hell this thing move up so high? Okay, so this thing is just like moving all the way up. Let me see on the top. Okay, now the sunroof is lower than the frame, because when this all the way up to right here, then that noise making, but now it's lower, it does not make no noise. I might test to see water can go into it, because like this water is not flow out, it's just trapped in here. So probably, well, make sure, let me see my drain. Okay, make sure my drain is clean, because otherwise it will trap water up here, because I can see water right here. See that? So I probably have to put some water right here to see the water will drain out to this hole right here. Otherwise water will leak into my car. Okay, so hey, at least now I fix it. Okay, I would say I fix it because no more noise. Okay, let me test to see how it's running my water go. Okay, so it flowed through, but trap some water here. And the main thing is your drainer inside. Let me roll up the window, the sunroof, to see if that to see if the water actually drain to the drainer. Okay. Test to see the water will go down. Okay. Alright, so the water actually go down pretty good. So make sure to test both sides. Okay. Okay. So the water on that side also go down. So make sure, if you are clogged, then you have to put a kind of like a stick to it and drain the hole, because this hole right here, and drain through the pillar, go down to the bottom. See that? Water is drip to the bottom right here. Alright, thank you for watching. Adjust your glass to where no noise, and then you're solving the problem. That noise is bothering the driver. Okay, whoever own a car like this, hopefully this will help you. Camry, Avalon, Sienna, the Lexus es350, they're all the same car, just different L and a T. That's it. Alright, thank you for watching. Please help me subscribe. Okay, bye bye now.